Handing in a physics test when you know you did terrible is an awful feeling. You walk back to your desk and you want to die. Except you don't die and it's only October and school lasts until June and there'll be more physics tests and more agony and maybe I should try studying. Yes, on Monday you're going to have a test and I want you to study for that test. I want you to be prepared for that test. I want you to dominate on this test. This test is a lot about making triangles. If you can make triangles and solve the triangle, it's really quite simple. You just need to set it up and get it done right. Here's a picture of a baby frog. I hatched him out since he was an egg. So that's your bonus picture of the day today. Isn't he cute? He fell right where my dog was sleeping. That's why he's all covered in dog hair. He was a little tiny frog. Okay, your test again on Monday. I want you to study, and the questions I want you to study up in the question section. This is before we get to problems A, but up in the question section, I want you to pay special attention to number 11 and number 9. As long as you have these two and you really understand what they're talking about, that will help. In problems A, I want you to circle number 2, in B, 3, in C, 4, in D3, in E2. Hey, you notice the pattern? Pretty tricky. And again, most of these, all you have to do is set up a triangle. Set up your triangle, figure it out, figure out what you need to do to break it into components or whatever, and get it to work. A couple of them are longer. D number 3, that's going to be the one that you have to break up and do the multiple steps like I taught you yesterday. So make sure that you can, if you see the little northeast chart, you know, hey, that's that one I got to break up everything into. That one's going to be longer. If you can do that question perfectly, I guarantee you will pass this test. The rest of them, of course, you're going to want to do more than just pass the test, but get those done and you're going to be in good shape. The last 2 units do not go away. So there's going to be stuff from the last 2 units that pops up somehow too, so I can see which of you guys have really retained and which of you guys are just trying to stay one day ahead. So that's going to be on Monday. I am sure that you guys are going to do fantastic. So don't forget to study over the weekend. Don't forget everything. And make me proud on Monday.